Hey, what's up, guys? It is Saturday morning here at Mr. Postman Print Shop, and I have kind of a unique opportunity. We have a neighbor that's on the main street over here that is starting up what's called Mercantile on Madison. It's going to be a super high-end boutique market with multiple vendors in it. It's going to be really, really nice. They've done a good job of making it just really cool in there, and it's a lot of space. There's probably 50 booths inside of this space. They got 150 people that are wanting 50 booths, and they're eventually planning on putting like a bar in there. So it's going to be a destination kind of place for Whiteville. So people are kind of coming from all over, and I was just over there. There was actually a lot of vendors from outside of our county that are interested, and the vendors are going to be limited in what they can sell. It's not going to be a junky kind of place, thrift store. It's going to be high-end boutique style. The reason that's cool for us is because we have greatly reduced our little customer area. We did have plans on doing some retail aspects of the business here. I have a little bit of stuff here, but not a lot. I mean, we're talking about doing, with all the screen printing that we're doing, we're talking about doing a lot more boutiques type stuff. My wife and my daughter are both artists, and they supply to a gift shop in the area some certain items that they do on consignment and do. So there's a little bit of that going on, but we really want to push some cool retail stuff. And so what this is going to allow us to do is have that retail space over there. We keep it stocked. We come out with new products, put it out there. We got, obviously we can do lasering now. We do the screen printing, all the stuff that we do. And so we can keep it stocked, and we don't have to man a retail operation. We don't have to have retail stuff here. We can say, hey, we have our retail items right over there. Just go check it out. And it'll be really, really cool. We won't have to deal with retail customers here. Sales that happen over there, the business gets a 10% cut of the sales. They also post all of the items online, and so they get like a slightly higher percentage, like 14% for online sales. So it's great. I don't have to man it. There's a percentage of sales that happens, but we're not selling wholesale here. We're getting higher end retail pricing for things. Am I expecting to make a ton of money with this? No, it's not going to compare to what we're doing here at the shop, but I think it's going to be a really cool, fun way to do some retail. Here's a little bit of footage of what the space is looking like over there. And we actually got our booth picked out, so here it is. Check it out. There's the back wall of Mr. Postman right there. And so this can be our retail space. Not all of it, of course, but still very convenient, very cool, and I don't have to man it. Okay, this is the new Mr. Postman retail space right here. So I'm gonna have to build out some racking. The space comes out about 6 feet, so it goes a little bit beyond this right here. So we'll have all of this area right here. 117 square feet of retail space. Near the front door, right next to the changing rooms. Nice and wide open. This is one of the bigger spaces on this list. It's 117 square feet. but I think it's a good spot. You can see Mr. Postman's right here. There's some signage back here. It's got to hide the graffiti as well. But yeah, might need to do some signage. All right, so that was a little look at the footage of our new retail space that we are going to utilize. So I'm pretty excited about it. I think it'll be a neat thing. It'll also be an avenue for my wife and daughter to continue stuff on theirs end as well. And we'll just see how it goes. So I look forward to doing some future videos on that as they get closer. I think we have our big pecan harvest festival that happens in downtown Whiteville in November, and the plan is for that place to be open by then. My little space is 117 square feet, and it's $3 a square foot, so it works out to roughly $350 a month is what that space will cost us. But we are going to have like the second largest space in that whole place. Look at my old fire pit, guys. It's about at it. So I just got one of these stainless steel smokeless doohickeys. So hopefully this sucker will last. It's smokeless. Just ignore all that smoke right there. Appreciate you guys tuning into this one, and I am coming out before the Printing United show, my video about my thoughts on DTF. That's all for today. See you in the next video.